Alright guys, so before we start, please make sure you like and share this video. If you've been benefiting from Mr. Creating Update, you get my point. Please like and share this video and make sure you leave a comment. You know we need to grow. So that's just it. So now, first of all, you need to mount your camera on a tripod. You get my point. So you can choose to use portrait, you can choose to use landscape, but for this video I use portrait. You get my point. So at first you need to record an empty scene. You can record for, let's say, 5 seconds. Okay, let me say 5 to 10 seconds. You get my point. So when you are done recording, just like what you see here on screen, then you can now walk in, just like what I just did. Then you can do whatever you want to do, either touching yourself or like kind of surprise things like that on your body. Then you can come close to the camera just like this. Then you look at the camera and you can give thumbs up or do whatever you wish to do, any gesture of your choice. You get my point. So when that is done, you are good to go. So you can now save this video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. I have to bring it down very slow so that you will understand. You get my point. So now I am on Capcut already, so I want to show you how to edit the video. Guys, remember we recorded an empty scene. So now let's go and look for where the empty scene stops and where the character starts coming in. So at this point, this is where we have the empty scene. So I will tap on, but no, at first let me just mute the noise in the background. You know, when I was recording this video, I had some noise in the background, so let me just click on mute clip. Here is original sounds of all clip muted. You get my point. No sound is of this clip. So if you want to confirm that, you can just tap on the video layer, go to volume, so that you confirm that the volume is at 0. So look at it, it's at 0. So that is that one. So like I said, we need that empty scene. So let's, from this part before the character walks in, you tap on the video layer. Now go and look for split. When you click on split, so now go look for overlay. Overlay, where is overlay? Okay, so you click on overlay. When you click on overlay, you tap and hold it. Now drag it to the beginning of the video. So this is for complete beginners. You get my point. Like some people that are just starting video editing, you don't even know what to edit, you can just do this. Create this and post on your TikTok, post on your WhatsApp status, post on your Instagram, post on your YouTube. You get my point. So that's just it. Okay, so now what you need to do right here is, from this point you want this video to start. Maybe I want my own to start from this point I'm turning and start touching my body. So I'll just tap on the video layer, tap on split, then I'm gonna delete the beginning, tap on the first clip on the second layer. Understand? So you delete it. So you can now tap on this remaining one, drag it to align at the beginning. So this is how the video is going to start. It's going to play. So this is just it. You get my point. So towards this part, I'm getting close to the camera where I want to reveal my real self. You get my point. So at this point, maybe from here, I will just tap on the video layer, the second layer. Now I will tap on split. When I tap on split, I will not move the clip. I will just tap on the first layer, still click on split. When I click on split, I will tap on the ending part of the first layer. Now I will have to delete it. When I delete it, tap on the second layer, the ending part of the second layer. You get my point, which you split it. So now you go and look for main track. Where is main track? Alright, so click on main track right here. So it's going to come up and join with the first layer. So that is just it. I believe you've learned something. Please like and share this video now. Like and share. You need to grow, huh? So that is just it. So look at how the video is going to be. You won't even notice that we moved a clip from the second layer to the main track, understand? So that is just it. So now what you do here is very simple. Now you tap on the second layer. When you tap on the second layer, so you have to come to remove BG. Tap on remove BG. Now click on chroma key. When you click on chroma key, now you need to wear, like now I'm using red top, like red, I'm using my red jacket on this. You get my point? And this deep blue or navy blue. Blue is blue. You get my point? But I don't want to work on the neck. I want to use the jacket for this effect. So what I'm trying to tell you is, make sure the clothes you are wearing or the background you are standing, the empty scene you are recording, does not have the same color of the clothes you are wearing or the clothes you want to use. I don't know if you get my point. Let me say it again. Like the background, look at now, the background I'm standing right here is green, like green leaves. And now my clothes here should not be green. You get my point? My clothes should not be green. So that's what I'm trying to make you people understand. So at this point, I clicked on chroma key. So I will move this color picker to the red top. As you see, as you can see right now, it's at the red top. So it's already picking the red color. So what I'll do, I will just increase the intensity to somewhere 30, between 30 and 35. So I'll leave it at 33. I'll leave it right there. Then I'll increase the shadow to somewhere 30. You can even leave the shadow the way it is, no issue, no problem. So when you are done, all this fader edge can just it's not even needed. So you click on OK. So now see what is going to happen. It just changed everything. Like, look at you now. So when it gets to this point, now the transition will come right here. So look at it here. It reflects your real self. You get my point? So that is why you had to move it. But even if you left this particular layer down, understand, even if you brought it down, like you overlay it, it will still continue. You get my point? So but arranging it this way makes you a pro. You get my point? I don't know if you understand, if you get my point. So that's just it. So like I told you guys, I made a post about Capcut. If you're looking for Capcut Pro, you want to use Capcut Pro for Android, you guys, you can DM me on WhatsApp. You get my point? If you want to learn how to edit videos from scratch, you can DM me also on WhatsApp. I teach. That's what I do for a living. You get my point? So I don't want to waste much time on this. I will have to export this video so that you will see that everything I'm using here is just free. So I'll click on export and look at the video is exporting, and as you can see, it's fast. You get my point? So I don't want to waste much of your time. So guys, at this point, so see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.